Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So this is how I make this yummy jollof rice yesterday. So the first thing, I wash my turkey with lime and salt. This is the only thing I want to use, just using only turkey to make the jollof rice. I'm going to air fry it in my air fryer. Then I wash it on my pot. You can see the way I'm washing it. Then after that, I season it with my different type of seasoning. I use ginger, garlic, onions powder, thyme, bay leaf, and I had dry pepper because I did blend the pepper. I just used dry pepper. Then add salt. You can see I added my chicken spices as well. That one that I bought from Nigeria. So I had my onions. Then after that, I just put on my gas to stir for like 15 minutes before I now come and add water to boil. You can see the way I'm adding everything. Yeah, then I'm just stir together with my hand. I just mix together with my hand. Then this is I'm going to fry my stew now. I just put on my oil, put on my onions. Then I put in my tin tomatoes. You can see I just put everything inside. Then I stir together. I mixed very well. Then I covered a little bit to done. It's tin tomatoes, you have to done. Then after that, I just open and stir again. Then add my pepper mix. This pepper is mixed with ginger, garlic, fresh pepper, tomatoes, and all that. So I blend everything together. Then I cover and allow it to done very well. Then after that, you just open and wash in your rice. It's not hard, it's very simple. You can add your seasoning. I had just one seasoning because the meat stock is with seasoning and all that. So I'm going to add the meat stock inside. Then I wash in my rice. Then I stir together and allow it to done very well. Yeah, so this is how I make my jollof rice yesterday. Yesterday was public holiday over here, so I decided to just make jollof rice and the salad for us to eat as lunch. And Obi started work today, so that Obi will see something to be taken to work. Like throughout this week now, we miss it with something else to take to work. It's very important. That work food is very important. All right, guys, I hope you love and enjoy this video. My food is ready. Bring your plate. Let's come and eat together. Let's dine together. It was very yummy. Bye, guys.